Your last video got 50 views. The one before that, 32. And now you're thinking YouTube shadow banned your channel. But what if I told you that's probably not the real reason? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how creators escape the low views jail, and the last tip changes everything. Stop deleting videos that don't perform. Most successful creators have dozens of videos that barely got any views. One viral upload can suddenly send viewers to your older content. Second, your thumbnail and title matter more than your editing. Imagine making a masterpiece, but wrapping it in boring packaging. Nobody clicks. Ask yourself one question. Would I stop scrolling to watch this? If the answer is no, change the thumbnail and title before blaming the algorithm. First 10 seconds decide your video's future. If viewers leave immediately, YouTube assumes the video isn't interesting. Don't start with, hi guys, welcome back. Start with a shocking fact. And here's the biggest mistake. Creators upload 5 videos, get discouraged, and quit. The creators who win are the ones who keep improving every upload. So if you're stuck in low views jail, don't chase the algorithm, make videos that people can't ignore. Because YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching. Give a like and subscribe to learn to earn.